The Fayoumi chicken is a breed of domestic chicken that originated in Egypt. Egyptian Fayoumi chicken, also known locally as Ramadi or Biggawi. The Fayoumi chickens are well suited to hot climates, and they are flighty, very strong, and hardy birds. So they generally require less caring and other management. They are great free-range birds. The breed is also very good for raising as pets. Today it is a very common and popular breed in Egypt, and they grow relatively faster. They adapt easily to different climates, such as those in Iraq, Pakistan, India, Vietnam, the USA, and Britain. So, commercial Fayoumi chicken farming can be a good and profitable business. Fayoumi chickens are generally small to medium-sized birds. The hens usually weigh around 1.5 kilo, while a rooster can grow up to be around 2 kilos. Egyptian Fayoumi chicken is certainly an interesting breed to have. Egyptian Fayoumi usually has white or silver feathers around its neck, while the rest of the body is permeated with a darker color, usually black or gray and sometimes brown. Their tail is fluffy and large, and it is dark-colored, light-bodied with a long neck and almost vertical tail. The Fayoumi chickens are naturally very good breeders. Generally, one mature rooster is enough for breeding around or up to 10 hens. Nowadays, they are mostly raised for eggs. You can expect an Egyptian Fayoumi hen to start laying eggs when she is just 4 months old. They start roosters crowing as soon as when they are 6 weeks old. The Egyptian Fayoumi chicken can lay around 150 to 200 eggs per year. Hens are not particularly broody. Females do not readily become broody until they are 2 to 3 years old. You can build the house either with easily available materials such as bamboo and wood, or the house can be a full concrete setup. They will require around 4 to 5 square feet housing space. Deep litter system is generally used for Fayoumi chicken farming business. And try to build the house in such a way so that you can easily clean the house. Chickens either with commercial poultry feeds or prepare the feeds of your own. Whatever you use, ensure that the food is good and nutritious for your chickens. Never provide your chickens with contaminated feeds. The Fayoumi chickens are good foragers, and they will take most of their diet from foraging if you allow them to roam freely. This will also help you to reduce feeding costs. They have lower protein requirements than other chickens. Always try to provide your chickens with enough clean and fresh water as per their demand.